everybody, I am Rene Kiran. Today I am going to recite a poem, The Rainbow, written by me, the rainbow. There's a lovely bow in the sky, the colorful rainbow in the sky. Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and red are seen. The rainbow shares a secret of it to the tiny little bits to follow the ends of the rainbow and gather the treasure of glittering bows. The rainbow leads the tiny bits to the little secret of it to find the treasure of glittering bows of reds and greens and yellows. The rainbow is happy, the children are happy. They say goodbye to the smiling rainbow in the sky. Thank you.